Hey, so I'm trying something brand new. I'm having a change to the way that I send emails to my list. And as part of that change, I thought it would be fun, different, an experiment to try recording me reading through those emails. I read them through anyway before I send them. It's how I double check that I'm happy with everything that I'm sending through. So why not record it? You never know, it might be useful. If it is, if you like it, let me know below. If not, then I'll probably stop doing them. But hey, for now, let's give it a try. You don't know if you don't try. Just one thing, anywhere that it would say the reader's name, I'm going to be saying you. Okay, let's do this. Let me share my screen and get set up. Okay, so hey you. You may have already picked up that a few things are having a shake-up at a handcrafted business. So I think it's time that I lay my cards out on the table. I love writing emails, but bizarrely, I don't send 80%, that's a conservative estimate, of the emails I actually want to. I have a variety of sad stories that I tell myself. The timing is bad. It doesn't fit with my current focus. Or the big one is that I'm worried that I'll annoy you by landing in your inbox too often because you're only expecting a weekly email from me, which is bonkers because some of those, I must tell you, emails are gold. My hesitation means that you're missing out on some of my best ideas and thoughts, which could inspire you to do something amazing and maybe even life changing. Like the email I thought about sending you 5 weeks ago, inspired by observations I had while I was sitting in the Hard Rock Cafe in Manchester. Now, I know that doesn't sound like the idea was a game changer, but trust me, it is. I will write it and I'll send it to you soon so you can see for yourself. So the times or emails are a changing because this old way of working isn't fair on you or me. Whenever I have a, oh my God, you need to know this moment, I want to feel free to pop into your inbox. So I'm not going to worry about how often I email or when I email. It's simply too restricted for me. I won't be spammy or icky. This is about providing you with the best business support and marketing help via email for your business that I possibly can, which I hope you're up for. It's also why I've given my email list a name because, well, why not? I've asked ChatGPT to write me a dictionary definition for the new name, which is the Marketing Muse, to explain exactly what it means and why I've picked it. Here goes. The Marketing Muse definition: a guiding, inspirational force that empowers and elevates the endeavours of ambitious small business owners, particularly those who are driven by creativity and specialise in craftsmanship. Why I'm doing an odd voice, I don't know. The Marketing Muse embodies the fusion of artistic passion with strategic ingenuity, offering invaluable insights, innovative strategies, and imaginative ideas to captivate audiences, amplify brand presence, and cultivate sustainable success. Serving as a catalyst for imaginative promotion, enabling artisans of craft-based businesses to masterfully navigate the modern marketing landscape and transform their creative vision into a thriving, impactful enterprise. I know, you can tell it's written by AI, but it's good and I love it. It sounds, this is where I want you to insert the adjective you say the most, amazing to me. And the best part is you're now part of the Marketing Muse. I really hope that you'll love being part of this adventure with me, especially because over the next few weeks, I'm going to be doing a lot of talking, unlike me, I know, about how you can help people find and visit your online shop, wherever it is, whatever form it is, and how you can help visitors make good decisions while they're there. These are the keys to having a profitable business you love, though you probably know them as traffic generation and conversions, but those names are just way too impersonal. In my last email, I reminded you that marketing and selling is a numbers game, and it really is. But each one of those numbers is a real person with dreams, hopes, wants, needs, and desires. We need to lean into all those dreams, hopes, wants, needs, and desires for us and our customers, and embrace the quirks, differences, and the things that make us truly unique. Anything else limits us. And that applies to everything, including business and emails. Let's do this. Much love, Nicola. But P.S. I will also be letting you know how you can work more directly with me in these emails too, because that's business. Of course, there's no obligation to buy anything, but if you do, please know I will be honoured to help you flourish and thrive. And right now, unusually, I have a one-to-one vacancy available as Vicky recently completed her 3-pack. Or if you prefer to be part of a community and have access to me as well to help and guide you with your business, then the Make More Club would be a better fit. You can find the links below or over at handcraftedbusiness.com. That's it. That's the read through. I hope you found it useful. You get to hear it in my voice, which I hope is useful to reuse the word I've just used. You can tell these videos are not planned. It's simply me recording something that I would be doing anyway, with a little bit of a top and tail at the start and the end. If you like this, drop the video a like. Come over and subscribe to the Marketing Muse as well. There's lots of great stuff to come. And make sure you let me know if you find this interesting or useful to be able to listen or watch me reading out. Hey, we have audio books for books that you read, so why not have it for emails as well, was my logic. Let me know if you find it useful. If you do, I will carry on doing it. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.